Hi YouTube, and thank you for clicking on my video. So today I'm going to be filming another haul video, and basically last week I think it was National Lipstick Day. So because of that, ColourPop did a ton of good sales on products, so I bought a bunch of lipsticks. So I got my package in the mail today and I was so excited because it took a good like 5 to 7 days to get here. And I feel like when you're used to Amazon and Amazon Prime 2-day shipping, you expect everything you order to be there in 2 days. So when you have to actually wait for stuff, it feels like it takes 10 years to get here. So I finally got my new makeup and I am unboxing it right now. So I'm just going to do it like based on how it's packaged. So this is the first thing that I pulled out. Oh, I'm going to show this first because it's the only eyeshadow that I got. I only ordered lipsticks and then one eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow in the shade, it's a super shock shadow. That's a tongue twister. In the shade Empire. So it just looks like this. It is a really pretty green, oh wow, like green metallic-y color. Look at that. That's so pretty. Wow. I'm like all fascinated by this. But I don't know. I love green eyeshadow and I feel like I'm just now kind of getting into it and buying green eyeshadows because everybody goes through a phase where every single palette you own is all neutral and gold and then you end up getting other stuff with more colors. So that's kind of why I got the green one. I really want to get into, especially with fall coming up and stuff, I want to get into more green in those kind of colors. So that's why I got that. I'm so excited to play with that. And then I got a lipstick in Still Crazy. This is one of their cream lipsticks. It's nice packaging. It's like really big. Oh, that's cute. It has stars on it. I don't know. I don't know if it's a weird thing, but I always smell like even lip products when I get them. But this is just like a nice mauve-y shade. I feel like it's kind of like the color I'm wearing right now, but it's like a mauve pinkishy shade. I love those kind of like nude lip colors in the fall, especially if you're wearing like this is a printed shirt and there's a lot going on, so I wouldn't necessarily do like a bold lip with it, so I'm going to really wear that a lot. And then this is the same lipstick line, not lipstick line, but it's also another luxe lipstick, and this is in the shade Hello Stranger. Let's look at this. Ooh, that's pretty. I feel like I'm gonna say that about everything when I open it. Good things smell. Oh, okay. I'm not going to swatch everything because I want to use it first, but that's what this one looks like. This is Hello Stranger right here. I'm really picky sometimes with burgundy lipsticks because I feel like some shades you get them and in the package they look so pretty, but then when you put them on they're light and they're not even what they were kind of advertised to be. But this one, as you can tell, is like the exact same. So that's really nice, and the formula feels really creamy too, so I like that. And then I'm going to move my bubble wrap. What else is in here? Oh, they sent me this too. Like just little card type stuff. It's my receipt. I'm just gonna take everything out. Okay, so then I got a bunch of these pixie sticks. These ones. These were like 40% off, so I'm pretty sure I paid less than maybe $4 for all of them, which is a steal to me. So I've never tried this formula before. I really hope I like it because I now have 5 of them. So I'm just going to go through. So the first one I got was Gold Digger. Alright, same thing, kind of like a cranberry mauve kind of shade, I want to call it. I don't know. I got a ton of fall lipsticks because I feel like those are the best colors in my favorite seasons, is like the cranberries, the reds, like the really deep burgundies. Those are my favorite colors. And I wanted to start filming fall looks earlier, so I'm kind of trying to buy everything that I want to use now so that I can upload videos in like September and October with these colors. So I really like that one. And then this one is in the shade Infinite Best. See, look at that. Like, that is so pretty. I'm going to swatch this one, too. Oh, wow. That is so... Look at this right there. That is so pigmented. Oh, my God. And I'm, like, barely putting pressure, too, when I swatched it. Like, I wasn't pressing down on it. That was, like, So much color, and I'm not even using that much product. Oh, I'm so excited. And I feel like with lip products and makeup in general, if you like one formula of something, you're probably going to buy it in every color. So that's definitely, like, if I really like this formula, I'm just going to buy more. And this one is in the shade Poison. So pretty. Another, like, burgundy, cranberry, deep color. Again, those are my favorite shades ever. So there's that one. And then this one is in Trust Me. And this is a bright red. So I love red lipsticks. I think I'm going to make a video like all dedicated to red lipsticks. I'm going to swatch this one. See, that's Trust Me right there. So that's so pretty too. It's like a true bright cherry red. But I don't know, like I said, I'm going to make a video about red lipsticks because I love red lipsticks and I have a lot of them and I have opinions on different ones. So I kind of want to make a video just showing that. So stay tuned for that. And then the last one that I got is Lumiere. And this one, again, kind of reminds me, yeah, this looks like the color I have on now. The one I'm wearing right now, though, it's a NYX liquid lingerie one. I can't think of which color it's in. But this is the same thing. It's like a dusty rose, like mauve kind of color. I really am going to wear this one a lot too because it's almost like a nude but better. And I'm not crazy about regular nude lipsticks. I feel like nude doesn't really look right on me because my lips are very pink. So if I put a nude lipstick over it, it just doesn't look right. It doesn't actually look nude. So my nude lipsticks are more shades that are like my lip color but better. I feel like this is going to be one of those, my lip but better. Just because it's like a dusty rose type color. It looks really, really pretty. So I'm so excited to try all of this stuff. So basically that is it. That was my ColourPop makeup haul. So happy late National Lipstick Day to all my lipstick junkies out there. I hope everybody went shopping and everybody bought themselves some new lip colors. So if you enjoy this video and you want to see more videos about lipsticks and makeup and all that good stuff, then like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.